How or why must boards treat global AI compliance as a core growth strategy, not a tech chore? How do we look at this pointer, Alok?
So if we look at the evolution since say 2022 onwards, when generative AI has completely put forth AI into every discussion altogether, compliance, especially from AI perspective, is one of the prominent discussion that has come to forth, and there have been a lot of legal issues that and regulations that we see that where some of these large language model organizations have been sued by certain firms for using their data without permission, and all such issues have been there. Given that kind of scenario, a global AI compliance as a core strategy, at least at this point in time, or it's emerging in that direction, becomes very prominent. And one of these examples which I would want to cite is recently there was a German AI startup, and that they were about to go for $200 million funding round, and where the investors actually discovered that it wasn't aligned to the EU AI Act. And why I'm specifically mentioning about the EU AI Act, because amid all the discussions on global AI compliance and regulations, European Union has created a benchmark for other organizations as well as other nations to follow, including US is working on some on their own regulations. So if we look at all of this, certain regulations, especially from EU AI Act, that has set form certain clauses which has actually the power to block over, say, 1.6 trillion euro kind of that's a projected AI revenue. So that's the kind of say revenue governance that can be expected if organizations globally would not do not comply with the compliances or regulations laid out by different governments going ahead.